If you're wondering which construction software is best for efficiency, CoConstruct or JobProgress, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into these two options, comparing their features, ease of use, and the overall value they bring to the table. Stick around until the end, because we'll also explore a third alternative that might just be the most efficient choice for your business. Let's start with CoConstruct. It's designed to help custom builders and remodelers manage everything from project management to client communication. The first thing you'll notice with CoConstruct is its ability to streamline financials. It integrates with QuickBooks, making tracking job costs and invoicing seamless. This can save a lot of time, especially when you need up-to-date financial data. However, it's not the cheapest option out there. CoConstruct's pricing can be steep for smaller businesses, especially when you factor in the additional costs for some of its more advanced features. Next, we have JobProgress. JobProgress focuses on simplifying project management by offering a robust task management system. It's known for its strong emphasis on tracking leads, jobs, and estimates in one place. If you're looking for software that helps you stay organized, this could be a solid choice. But it's not without its downsides. The interface is a bit clunky, and some users report that the learning curve is steeper than expected. Plus, while JobProgress offers a variety of tools, it lacks the same level of integration with financial software like CoConstruct, which could be a deal breaker if you need that functionality. The third thing to note is the mobile apps. Both CoConstruct and JobProgress have mobile versions, but CoConstruct's app is often considered more polished. It allows field teams to easily access project details, change orders, and client communications. JobProgress, on the other hand, has a mobile app that works, but it's not quite as intuitive, and the user experience could use some improvement. Next thing to consider, customer support. CoConstruct is known for providing excellent customer support. You'll get direct access to their team, whether it's for training, troubleshooting, or general queries. JobProgress, however, has received mixed reviews for its support. While they do offer customer service, the responsiveness and quality of support can sometimes be lacking, especially during peak business hours. The fourth thing is reporting and analytics. CoConstruct provides detailed reports on everything from budget to project timelines. It gives a comprehensive view of where your projects stand financially and operationally. JobProgress, while offering basic reporting, doesn't have quite the same depth, which could limit how much insight you get into your business's performance. Another important factor is scalability. CoConstruct works well for custom builders and remodelers, but might not be as suitable for larger construction companies due to its pricing structure and feature set. JobProgress, on the other hand, offers more flexibility in terms of scaling, which might be a better fit for growing companies that need a more adaptable solution. Now, while CoConstruct and JobProgress both have their merits, after testing both systems myself, I found that they might not be the most efficient choice for every construction business. The features are solid, but for businesses focused on efficiency, especially those with a larger scope, there's a better alternative. The software I recommend for better efficiency is the one linked in the description. It combines the best features from both CoConstruct and JobProgress while offering a simpler, more user-friendly interface. It integrates seamlessly with financial tools, offers better mobile functionality, and provides excellent customer support. Plus, there's a free trial exclusively available through the link in the description. If you're serious about streamlining your construction business, take advantage of this free trial and experience a better way to manage your projects. So, while CoConstruct and JobProgress are solid options, if you're looking for the best efficiency, I'd recommend giving this alternative a try. Don't miss out, click the first link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you can only get here.